Hi everyone, my name is Bridget from the Brunswick Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make gummy bear slime. This is actually one of our take and make craft kits that you can pick up at any MCDL location starting on September 21st. So let's get started. In your slime kit, you will find a bag of gummy bears, a cup of cornstarch and powdered sugar mixture, and a little bit of coconut oil. Your kits will also contain an instruction sheet. Put the gummy bears in a microwave-safe bowl and microwave for about 30 seconds. Give it a good stir until the melted bears are smooth, and be careful because this will be very hot. Pour about half of the cornstarch and powdered sugar onto a clean surface like a cutting board or your counter. Give the melted bears a few minutes to cool, and then pour over top of the cornstarch and powdered sugar. Start to slowly fold the melted gummy bears into the cornstarch and sugar, and slowly work in the rest of the mixture. As you can see, this will be very messy. Start to knead the slime with your hands. At first it'll be very sticky, but the more you knead, the less sticky it will be. And continue working in the cornstarch and sugar. This will take several minutes. And once you have incorporated the cornstarch and sugar, add in a little bit of coconut oil. Start with a very small amount on the tip of your finger and add in more as needed. This will help make the slime more elastic. And this is how you make gummy bear slime. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.